Hey everyone, this is Brantley Ping with Social React. We are a creative agency based out of Blue Springs, and today we're going to do an unboxing video of the Tilta Nucleus Nano. It's a wireless follow focus. Now, as I try and open this hefty box, I just want you to know that I've had probably 4 or 5. Ooh, look at this. They included a case. Wow, I'm impressed already. I've had 3 or 4, maybe even 5 follow focuses over the years, ranging from really expensive to really cheap, and they're, oh my.
Oh my.
Now this is nice. I tell you what, for $229 and overnight shipping, this is already very, very impressive. I mean, we've got the warranty card here. That's good to know it passed inspection. We've got some pretty simple instructions. We'll put those off to the side. Okay, we've got some Allen wrenches. We got some, it's like 1/4-inch screws for tripod plates. That's good to know. And okay, we've got some lens gears if you're using photography lenses, which most of us are. We've got some lens gears that will pretty much turn them into cinema lenses with a 0.8 pitch. So they've tossed in 2 of these. So that's good. Moving on, man, this is a really, really nice setup. I'm very impressed so far. So this right here, I'm trying to wiggle out of this tight case, is the Nucleus Nano hand wheel controller. So we get one of these, and this feels really, really nice. I like the wood grain, it's pretty nice, and we've got record functionality, we've got a menu display screen, we can do power, run, stop control, we've got some up-down buttons for navigating the menu and setting hard stops for the lenses. We also put our battery inside of this device, and looks like they've included 2 batteries with this kit. So yeah, very, very nice. I loved how soft it felt. And we've got 2 of these batteries. Now these look like AA batteries. They're not. You can't just go to the store, buy more AA batteries and call yourself good. These are special batteries, and they've also included a very unique charger. I'm not gonna lie, I've never seen a charger like this. So just put the battery in, it's magnetized, just clicks, you heard it, clicks, plug it in through the USB port on any kind of charging device, and that little white box will flash as it's charging, and then it'll just go to a solid color once the batteries are charged. So that's pretty neat. So next up, we've got some control cables. So if we want to hook in our follow focus into a drone setup, we can do that. Micro USB, and that gives us power as well. Now, let's see, this right here is a base plate with a single 15mm rod attachment. So this right here, it probably won't work for me because right now I have my Blackmagic Pocket set up in a small rig, so that's probably not gonna fit, but I do like this 15mm rod they toss in. So you can just slide the rod into this base plate and you can tighten it down. And next up, we actually come to the Nucleus Nano motor. Now this is what you actually mount to your rod. And this is whenever you turn the Nano focus wheel, this motor turns with no delay and will rack focus your lenses. So the gears feel very, very smooth. It's incredibly light for what it is, and it just slides right onto the rod, and then you can just tighten it up and you're in a pretty good spot right there. Just rotate it onto your lens and you've got yourself a very nice follow focus. So it looks like we've got one more thing left. Okay, so this is the attachment plate for the actual hand wheel control. So you can use this to attach to your camera cage, or you can also attach it to certain kind of drones that have the right attachment interface. And There's actually one more thing in here I'm gonna try and dig out, if I can just get to it. Okay, so this right here, a lot of people have told me that this doesn't come with this, you have to buy it separately, but it's actually kind of hidden in this little compartment. So this is another hand wheel attachment, but this is an adapter for different kind of gimbal that might not have the other interface. Or what I'm probably gonna do with it is I'm gonna attach it to my tripod control arm and just adjust focus that way. So there you go. This is the Tilta Nucleus Nano wireless follow focus. So I'm really looking forward to getting this on my rig. I'll be sure to post another video in the near future with my rig setup. And also, if there's any problems with the follow focus, I'll be sure to let you know. And as always, if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. And again, my name is Brantley and I'm with Social React.